Okay, another one for you. Put these on ready, because you know what's coming. Okay, it's another clean-up again for the moment, and I can't. There's a truck. I know it's a truck, but I think it's a fridge truck. Is it number 44? Well, it says in there. You see the part that says Matchbox. Can't read anything else. And yeah, it just needs a good clean again. Get it ready for painting. Right, let's get started. Let's go for the brass one again. Not a lot of paint was on this one to start off with when it got stripped, so it shouldn't take that long to clean. I was lucky. I think I got this one a couple of times, and this was the only one, even though he was all battered and bruised, he had his door on the back, which I think I got to paint that as well. Like I said, I don't need to go mad with it. Just give it a quick clean over. No, I don't think there's any paint left on it really. Like I said, I haven't got the actual colours. They're only either close to it or it's colour I just think, yeah, that'll look alright. Like I said, they're only show models. I'm not using them to sell on. If I accumulate loads, I accumulate loads. Okay. A bit of paint now. The bottom a bit of a cleaning. That's about it. So I don't need to go mad with it. Oh, it's fine. Not a lot of paint left on that one. Not a lot of paint to start off with, I don't think. So, yep, that's that one. So, colours, a choice again. That one again for, because it's red and it's really good. And then for this bit, I think I might just go for this colour. I think that's roughly, well, like I said, this stuff's really expensive, but I've had these for quite a while. You can get a lot in them, like, so you don't get a lot in them. So I'm hoping there's enough in here just to cover that. It's probably not the actual colour. I can't remember what colour it was anyway, this back. But that didn't look too bad. Or I could go with this one. This bluey colour. So I got a choice of 2 for the cabbie part. But I shall work something out with that one. Right, let me just see if I can find the door. Ah, this does have glass as well. So that's going to need going in for soup. There's a door. There's a plastic, the door is. I don't remember how it goes back together anyway. It's so long ago I took it apart. Oh, I see that. Oop. Come on. Really? Don't be a sausage. Get in there. Oh, come on, don't you? There we are. So that'll go in there like that. That'll go back on there. I don't want to push it right down. But that'll go in there like that. And then you'll have an opening door at the back. Like I said, so this was about the only one I had, which was no paint already left on it, but it had its door. It still had its glass, and the glass is in really good nick. I was amazed that the glass is in good nick and the door is in good nick. There was hardly any paint left on the bleeding thing. It didn't take long to strip anyway, because like I said, there wasn't much paint in it, and it didn't even look like it'd been played with neither. That's the thing. I mean, the wheels, because this is a plastic base, wheels are in excellent condition. I mean, all they want really is just a wash. I mean, it's all grey at the front, so I presume, because it's plastic, I presume it wouldn't have been painted silver or nothing like that. I think it probably would just stay grey. But I said the wheels are in excellent nick. But yeah. So that's going to need going in for a clean anyway, the glass, even though it's in really good nick. It just needs a little clean. So we should get all that cleaned up. These little bags come so handy for doing this. Anyway, there we are. That's another one. Okay, so right, let's come back again a bit later. Hello again, everybody. Right, I got another one for you. As you can see, she's all been painted. Oh, looks nice, nice and shiny. What was this one? What is it? I've got my glasses on, but I still can't see it. It's number 44. Is it a fridge truck or something like that? Have a look properly. Anyway, there's that piece, and there's the back. That's those bits, and the glass is in for soup. Like I said, the wheels on this one are in really good nick again. You don't even really look like this one was played with, because, well, when I say it wasn't really played with, most of the paint, I think, was gone off of this one. It didn't have a lot of paint on it, but it had his original door on the back, which is, well, rare if you don't find them, and the wheels look just in really good condition, really good. I mean, it's only that one I got to fit on, but they're in really, really good nick. Really good nick. Don't really look like it's had a lot of use, but like I said, all the paint around here on this was chipped off. There wasn't much in the way of paint left on it. But it's got paint on it now. So this is going to be a little fix just to put that together. Right, let's get started, because I think I need, first of all, is that glass. Right, brush. So I don't really want to muck about this one too much in the way of like polishing all the glass up. If it was really badly scratched, then yeah, but I mean, it's not in bad nick actually. It's in pretty good nick. Certainly looks all okay. Right, so there's his glass. And it could do with a good dip in something really, just to give it a bit more of a shine, but I think that looks okay. Glass looks really good. Okay. So, right, we got the glass, and this back piece got to go on. And this is going to be a bit of a fiddly one in places because this door got to go on as well. Try and put it on the right way. It goes on there like that. Going there like that. And it's just a case of making sure these rivets go down. That's gone in there lovely. And then I've got to get this glass in. Try and get that pushed down. Should probably need a bit of glue on that one again as well. He's clicked. Still a bit loose, that glass, but he has clicked. The model is actually together, but the glass is still a little bit on the loosey wooshy side. Just use a bit of the 2K stuff again. So I don't need a great deal, just a little bit. Like so. Give it a little mix up. Get me a tiny little cocktail stick. And scrape it all into a nice little bubble. And gently dab a little bit. A bit on that one. Now, this, like I said, these wheels are in really good nick. So what I want to do is put that wheel on. Come on, come on! Oh, you gotta get it one way, ain't you? Come on. Let's make a paint or something. There we are. On the best side of the wheel. There we are. Clipped in that. And I'm right sweet deal on that one. So I've left, just want to put, like I said before, like I've done before, just put a tiny little bit, just a tiny little bit, not a lot, while this is going off. Just a small dab, just on that piece there. So it's just on the metal, so it just gives it a little bit of a bump. And that'll hold it in place. That's fine. That's all you need to do. Like I said, it's up to you. I mean, you can, if you've got the pillar drill with a couple of punches, you can do it that way. I think that's just fine. And then I just got this piece here. That'll sit in. Like so. So it goes in like that. That just needs pushing down. Piece of plastic. And that's him. Now he's clicked in place. Now you can try and punch it if you want to, if you've got a little bit of metal left over, and just punch it over. But I think that's fine. I don't think that's going to go anywhere, because it really did make a nice click. But I will put just a dab yet again of 2K glue, but like I said, it's fine for this. It's just a display model. See, the wheel's all fine, door on the back's all okay. And like I said before, just put a little dab of silver on there, and I'll mix up a bit of 2K just to put on the bottom of there while that's, so that can dry, and then I can just touch in those little hubs on the wheels with a bit of silver. Yeah, again, just a little bit of this. And if you ever do need to use this, and you do need to take the model apart, you can actually still take it apart. You just only got to just break the glue off with a knife. It don't, it's not brilliant. Oh. Well, that's not good, is it? Something leaked in there, and some stuff stuck. Like that. It's all stuck. Little cocktail sticks. Makes note with the cocktail stick. I have a yellow one there. Right, so I just need just get a good sized dab of it on your cocktail stick, and just drop it just down on there. Just don't have to drown it, just put a little bit on there, just a little bit. Like I said, I'm not running around on the carpet with them now, so they're just display models. That is fine. That'll do it. Right, now let's let that dry. And I'll come back when... Oh, I'm losing my mind, I am. Yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I'll come back in a short while. Just let that dry, and I'll touch that out with a little bit of silver, and then we'll show you it. Okay. Right, let's just give this a little daub, just to make those herbs just look a little bit more nicer. You don't have to do it, but it just makes it look a little bit more nicer. And that's it. The brush will clean it. Still got to find time to go to the shops yet to get some more materials. Like I said, there's only a little bit of thinners in here. Said that on the last video. That'll do it. Clean it. There we are. Right, let's let you have a look. So I've just got to watch these wet wheels. That is the top, front, underneath, the back, the sides, and the other side. I think she looks a pretty looking little vehicle now. Rolls all okay. Little door out in the back open. Yep. And there we are, little door open the back. Perfect little truck. Lovely. Another one done. Right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Some comments. Keep, let's see if we can get this channel to grow a little bit. I know there's loads of people doing Matchbox videos, but if you don't want to just watch Matchbox and you want to see my other channel and see proper cars being fixed up, then go into Everything Retro. The link is there. Just click it and it'll take you to whichever link you want to go to, this one or the other one, and you'll be able to see me doing up little cars like this or the real thing. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.